Hey guys, welcome back. Okay, so I thought I would show you guys what I put in my smoothie because I just got home from work and um I'm feeling a little hungry and I'm not really ready to eat right now, and it is, what time is it? Let's see. 5:24. Yeah, and I guess I'll eat probably around, I shouldn't eat that late, but I'm going to eat probably around 7, and I'm not going to have anything heavy because I've been eating really, really light this week. Anyway, I got my whole strawberries, milk. You can use whatever kind of milk you like, or you don't have to use milk. You can use some type of juice, a fruit juice, or anything. I'm using this Yoplait strawberry yogurt, and these are chia seeds, guys. That's what I have in here. I don't think I'll put ice in here because these are really frozen, and I'm gonna pop them into the microwave for a couple of seconds just to let them kind of thaw, because like I said, they are really hard. It's kind of frozen just a little bit. I know I said I was gonna pop it in the microwave. I think I said that, but I really didn't. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna add, well, I'm not gonna do it one by one. Wow. Okay. Yeah. So I'm gonna add about that much fruit, and I don't know how much that is normally. Okay, guys, what I'm gonna do is measure it for you so I can tell you exactly how much fruit I'm putting in there. Hold on one second. Okay, so I'm back. This right here measures out to be 1 cup. I don't know if you guys can see that, but on there it actually says a cup. Just kind of measure it. And that's what it is. It's about a cup of strawberry that I'm adding in there. Okay. Just because I can eyeball things doesn't mean everybody else can. I do need to realize that. Can you guys see me? Yeah, I lost so much weight. Like, it went like really fast. Like, honey, look at this. Like, I'm trying to show y'all, but it's going, baby. We doing it. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and try to show y'all with a third of a cup, because I'm not sure, like I said, how much of the yogurt I'm gonna put in there. I'm gonna start with a third of a cup. And guys, like I mentioned, this is my first time using, well, I don't think I mentioned this is my first time using. This is my first time using the strawberry. But I'm pretty sure it's going to be really good because there's strawberries in it. I'm going to put 1/3 cups. Yeah. That's all I'm going to do. Okay. And we're going to start with that. And I'm going to add some milk. Like I said, you use whatever kind of milk you like. I have OCD in some ways, so it's horrible. Anyway, the more you know about me. Okay, so I'm going to turn this baby on, and we're going to pray that it still works, because I have not used it in a while. Oh no, guys, I'm so sorry. I've got to add my chia seeds. So I'm going to add some of these, and this is optional. Strawberry, the fruit is optional too. You don't have to use the same fruit I did. You don't have to do that at all. You use whatever kind of fruit that you eat, I don't like bananas or pineapples. I hate pineapples with a passion. But my favorite alcoholic drink actually has pineapples in it. It's weird, I know. Okay, so we're going to get this going. Yes. Okay, so from the looks of it, guys, the consistency is nice. I'm gonna add more milk because I want a little bit more, because I want to be full, because to be honest, I don't know how much I'm gonna eat tonight, guys. I know I've been doing really bad when it comes to eating because I haven't been eating much. And you know, when you're stressed and all of that, it happens. So I'm adding a little bit of, you know, to make it thick, just in case it thinned it out too much. But you know, when you're stressing and stuff, it's really hard. Sorry, guys. It's really hard to keep an appetite, but I'm still trying, you know. Okie doke. And that is basically how I make my smoothies, guys. That's it. If you like a thicker smoothie, you can definitely, you see that, guys? You can definitely add a banana. I am not a banana person. I do not like bananas. So this is how I like my smoothies. I'm gonna go ahead and pour this into a cup and we'll taste. Okay, guys, this is my smoothie. Looks just like that, and it's really good too. Really good. And it's not too thick. Like I said, if you want a thicker smoothie, then add a banana to yours, or just add more yogurt. But it's really good, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and drink it now. If you have not, make sure you hit that red button. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, let's get on this weight loss journey. Do you hear me? Let's get it. Okay, bye.